Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Hassan and today I will present on BGP route hijacking, which explains how core internet routes can be maliciously redirected. So moving towards our agenda, in this presentation I will quickly cover what BGP is, what route hijacking means, how the attack works technically, some real world examples, the security threats it creates, and finally the main prevention techniques. So, what is BGP? BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol. It is the main routing protocol that connects thousands of networks known as autonomous systems. BGP is often called the glue of the internet because it decides how data travels across the world. One major weakness of BGP is that it works on trust. Routers accept route announcements from their neighbors without strong verification. This trust model is the root cause of BGP hijacking. So, what is the concept of route hijacking? Route hijacking happens when a network announces IP address that it doesn't actually own. The attacker sends a false BGP announcement that claims they have the best path to a victim's prefix IP address. This can happen accidentally through misconfiguration or intentionally for spying, data theft, or disruption. Through route hijacking, the actual path is converted to a attacker's path. So, how BGP hijacking works? The attack works mainly because BGP always prefers the most specific prefix route. For example, if the real owner has the prefix 203.0.113.0/24 and there is a more specific prefix, let's we call it 203.0.113.128/25. So, because the attacker's prefix is more precise, so BGP will always redirect its all traffic to the attacker's prefix. This is how attackers redirect traffic globally with just a simple announcement. So there are some real world examples which has caused problems in the past. In 2008, Pakistan Telecom accidentally announced YouTube's prefix to the world, causing a global outage. In 2018, traffic meant for Google was hijacked through Nigeria and then routed to Russia, exposing sensitive data. In 2022, attackers used BGP hijacking to redirect cryptocurrency platform users to fake websites and steal data assets. These examples show how powerful and dangerous this attack can be. So, what are the consequences and social and security threats? BGP hijacking can cause serious security and operational problems. Attackers can perform man-in-the-middle attacks when they inspect or capture data before passing it on. They can also black hole in traffic, completely dropping it, making the service unreachable. This can lead to downtime, data breaches, financial loss, and major damage to the organization's reputation. So the question arises, how can we prevent all of this BGP hijacking? To protect against hijacking, we use several defense techniques. First of all is resource public key infrastructure, RPKI. It is a cryptographic system where IP owners create signed route origin authorizations so routers can verify legitimate origins. Authorization, this is the one of the most strongest protection. Second, prefix filtering, where ISPs block invalid announcements from their peers. Third, route monitoring, which continuously detects abnormal or suspicious BGP updates. Finally, secure peering policies, where ISPs enforce strict validation rules with upstream providers. Together, these methods can reduce hijacking risk significantly. So here are some key takeaways and the conclusion to all of this discussion. To conclude, BGP is essential for the internet, but its trust-based design makes it vulnerable to manipulation. Strong validation mechanisms like RPKI and proper filtering are necessary to secure global routing. Even End user must use encryptions like HTTPS and VPNs to protect their data in case routes are hijacked. Thanks for listening and goodbye.